Hello and namaste everybody. Today we going to make a dhokla. Yesterday I was having my cardamom and fresh ginger tea, and then I feel like to eat dhokla. Dhokla, I could say in easy explanation for my Kiwi friend, that it's mixed lentil and rice, steam, savory bread, full of protein, lots of flavor, and it's very healthy for kids. So today I'm going to introduce two different ways you can eat, because my girls like only steam one straight away. But also I'm going to introduce as a shallow fry, also really nice, goes with tea too. Few friends already try at my place and they enjoy so much. This recipe I use all mixed lentils and rice mixture and keep it in jar like that, airtight jar. So it's very handy and very useful. So whenever you want to make a dhokla, I use 1 cup of this mixture, like a mixed lentil and rice, and soak overnight, and that's it. Very easy recipe. So for this mixture, I tell you that measurement that you can double up if you want to keep it in a jar, like a big quantity. So 1/4 cup each moong dal, red lentil, chana dal, urad dal, and 1/2 cup short grain rice and 1 cup long grain rice. But if you want to keep it in like a jar, like a big jar, you can double up that quantity and you can fill jar. And from this dal mixture, I use 1 cup of this mixture and soak overnight. And now I separate water from that dal. Reason for that, I'm going to use this water for making a batter. So I'm going to grind this all dal mixture, which is a soak overnight, and we're going to make a nice thick batter, and we're using this water. Now I'm going to introduce all other ingredient which is we need for this dhokla. 2 tablespoons natural yogurt, which is unsweetened one. I use my homemade one, but you can have from supermarket, but unsweetened one. 1/4 teaspoon seeds for shallow fry. Few leaf curry leaf. 2.5 tablespoon light olive oil, but you can use other oil. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 tablespoon fresh chopped chili, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, it's optional, 2 pinch asafoetida, 1 tablespoon lime or lemon juice, few coriander leaf chopped for garnish, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. So first we going to make a batter out of this dal mixture, which is already soaked overnight, with 1/2 of yogurt. Looks like we need to do 2 times, with a little bit of water. So it's a 2 tablespoons of yogurt, but I'm using 1/2 for this time, and I'm keeping 1/2 for next lot. And also I'm adding a little bit this water, which is I separate from this dal. And this batter we don't want to make a runny, that's we really need to careful. We need to make nice thick batter. So I'm using a little water at a time because we want to keep thick batter as possible. Yes, this batter is ready. Now we're going to steam this dhokla, but before that I'm going to add a few ingredients in this batter and few ingredients for shallow fry. So I'm adding salt. I'm going to mix that salt very well, and I'm going to add half baking soda in this batter and half I'm going to add in this oil. In this baking soda we need to mix in oil very well, and on the top of it I'm going to add lemon juice. Now adding this oil and baking soda mixture in a batter, and I'm going to whisk properly. So I'm adding half a batter in this tray, and we want to make not a thick or not a thin either. And I'm going to garnish with coriander, and this is all according to your taste, and some garlic, chopped garlic, and some chopped chili as well. But chili, if you don't want to use chili, sometimes I use chili powder. Red chili powder also will give you nice flavor too. And isn't it looks yummy? So for my girls, I use sometimes little bit of chili powder, also help as well. So now I'm going to put it in steamer to let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. So this steamer is ready, and we're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, and I'm going to check dhokla now with a knife, and it's now clear. So that means dhokla is ready. This dhokla is now cooled down, so now we're going to shallow fry. And it's a nice and soft. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of light olive oil, but you can add any other one. And once that oil warm up, we're going to add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and once mustard seeds start popping up, we're going to add asafoetida, curry leaf, and sesame seeds. Once everything is cooked properly, now we're going to add dhokla. So I'm going to let it cook until it's nice golden brown color, and then I'm going to change the side, and both sides we want to cook nice golden brown color. Now looks like one side is already ready, so I'm changing a side. Now this side is ready too. So see, it's ready. This dokla is ready and I'm going to try with my homemade tamarind chutney. For this recipe, you can click on this link and you will get recipe. I hope you all enjoy and all like, and I can't wait to try. So thank you so much for watching this recipe, and please like, subscribe if you like this dish and video, and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.